Hi, just a quick one. I'm taking a look at the BitBox02 crypto hardware wallet. I've had this for quite some time. They sent it to me. It's done by Shift Cryptocurrency. There it is, Shift Cryptocurrency. And yeah, it's a little USB-C hardware crypto wallet. So I thought we'd take a look at it. And one of the designers of this, Alex, actually posted on the EV blog forum after seeing my latest video saying, hey, we've actually released the BOM and schematic and stuff for this. So yeah, here it is here. So I'll link it in down below. So let's have a look at the schematic. I haven't actually looked at this yet. So we'll have a quick squiz. I'm using a different microphone today. If I sound different, something's screwed up. They're obviously using Altium there. And, oh, look at that. There you go. There's the 3D jobby for it. And I think I've looked at the original BitBox. I haven't looked at the 02 though. So we're going to run through just installing it. So they use an ATSA. Is that one of the secure ones? Well, I don't know what type of security is actually built into the processor. I don't know whether it's like, physical layer security, anti-glitch featuring and all that. So, as in physical security, like the die, so you can't like drill through the top of the chip and probe it and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, I think that uses but it's basically, yeah, it's that. It's got some I2C memory here. And that's just input protection on the USB. And yeah, that's all there is. There's a slidey touch sensor on the side of this thing apparently. It's got some little P. Can we see that on the PCB? Yeah, can we see that? Yeah, okay. So they're using that contact, that one, and that one. And they're using the castellations. Not sure why they got the castellations. Maybe that's part of the case or something. But, well, they're not actually castellations. They're just routed out bits. It's only a castellation if you actually have like the half moon thing in there, but obviously, yeah, they're using those side bits as capacitive sensors, so that's kind of cool on each side. And oh, by the way, somebody posted that on the EV blog forum that the Trezor Model T I was looking at, it actually uses blind vias in it. It's like, why? I don't know, but apparently it does. So yeah, they've done some work on the EV blog forum, and somebody took a couple of hours to, tidy it all up, and they've still got a long way to go apparently. So anyway, cool. There you go. So this is and the BOM here. Let's have a look. There you go. That's nice. Description and mouse number as well. Very nice. Excellent. So I don't know how open sourcey this thing is, but they got it there. I don't know what license or whether or not it's classed as open source hardware. Not sure what the deal is. But anyway, so let's give it a go. All it does is, so this is the box you get. You just get a USB cable thing, an adapter, and an SD card, because there is an SD card in the back of this. But no little sheet to write down your crypto seed. So that's all you get. So how does it work? I don't know. There's no like crypto seed. Oh, sorry. Oh, damn. Forgot to turn my light on. There you go. This is a terrible capture, Dave. Don't know what. Yeah, everything broke. I was trying out another system before, and all my microphone and everything's busted. So yeah, I might be going for a hardware solution to all this soon. Anyway, I'm checking it out. Anyway, let's plug it in, shall we? So here's their app over here. Apparently you can get it for your Google Play, but bugger that. Never do this on your phone. Never, ever. Using it's got supports my Ether wallet, which is good. Anyway, I've downloaded the app. Here it is. Insert the micro SD card. Done it. Follow the app instructions. Store the device password on your SD card. I don't know. Anyway, let's go. Next. BitBox. Yep. Run BitBox app. Welcome to the BitBox app. How can I get a device? Blah, blah, blah. We want to set it up. Close guide. Please connect your device. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and a little USB-A adapter as well. So that's, hopefully I've got a lead long enough. Oh yeah, just. Bootloader, okay. Upgrade firmware now. Yeah, I've had it for quite some time, so we'll upgrade that. Advanced, what's in advanced settings? Show the firmware hash every time on startup. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So if somebody's been fiddling with it, maybe? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. Upgrading. That's a nice bit of integration. I really like that. Wow, and it's almost linear too. I hate non-linear bar graphs. Yeah, that's really slick. Come on, you can do it. Upgrade successful. Continuing. 3, 2, 1. This hardware wallet will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Please connect your device. Please tap the device or for the O2. Yeah, we've got the O2. Yes, we do. Please tap the device. Verify the pairing code. That is correct. Multi-edition, whatever that is. Great. I want to set up a new BitBox. Create wallet. Restore from your micro SD card. Okay. Restore from recovery words. Okay. Yeah, we recommend you proceed in a secure location. Take their advice. By that, it means that nobody's watching, no cameras are watching, you've got no spyware installed on your computer and all that sort of jazz. So, yeah. Create wallet. So I assume they'll give us like a paper copy as well, but then we can more conveniently just back up from the SD card if we want. Got to confirm on the device. Yep. Set password. Okay, here's where we set the password. You are able to flip the screen on this thing. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now, I don't think. But yeah, it's got the, as you can see in the video there, that's pretty cool. It's got all the letters. You can do letter number combinations, so it's not just a number. The interface is kind of okay. Like, you know, once you're used to it, it seems to work all right. It's not too bad, given that like it's got 3 switches, like or 4 positions, was it, top and bottom, but it's only allowing me 3. But no, it's doing business. Got to repeat the password, which is sensible, even though it's annoying. Hang on, I've got to go back. You only get one shot of setting it up, so make sure you verify. Success. Okay, it's locked. It's now unlocked. It's showing a little padlock thing. You will now create a backup on your micro SD card. I should store my backup in a secure location. Backup is not password protected. Anyone with access can access my wallet. If I lose or damage my BitBox, the only way to recover my funds is to restore from my backup. If I lose or damage both my backup and BitBox, then my funds will be lost. I should not insert my micro SD card backup into a computer, phone, printer, or any other device other than a BitBox02. Yes. Very important. Don't store it on the cloud. Don't store it in your Google account or whatever it is. Yeah. Just like make multiple copies on a non-internet connected machine if you're super paranoid. And then, yeah, keep like 5 copies just in various secure places. Because you really have to treat the SD, presumably the SD card and your seed recovery sheet like fiat cash. You've got to treat it like cash, because anyone with that code, they don't need this hardware device. They can simply just, if they've got your recovery seed, or in this case your recovery SD card, then, well, they can just confirm today's date. Oh, that date is correct. Backup created. Show recovery words. Okay, so I can show recovery words. So yeah, I would never ever rely on just the SD card as the backup for this. You want it on paper, or preferably, you know, paper can get burnt, you know, fade away or do whatever. So yeah, there's like solutions for this, like have like stainless steel cards, and you can like scribe or punch out numbers, and they survive like house fires and things like that, which is very good. So even if you're safe, even if you've got a fire-rated safe, you don't want to have paper in there. Your paper sheet, and that's your only backup. So definitely don't want that. You will be presented with 24 recovery words from which form a backup. Write them down on paper. Do not store them digitally or take pictures of it. Do not say the words out loud, because someone could be listening. This backup is not password protected. Otherwise, you'll be asked to confirm each word. No wuckers. Oh, I've got an unlock device. Again. Geez, they're being ultra secure. All right. Yes, my super secret seed is on here, so I'll get some paper and I'll record all these down. And as with all these BIP type recovery seeds, they're all like plain text words, like they're all plain English words. So I really think that's awesome. Whoever invented that is just fantastic. It's not just some random string you can easily copy down wrong. It's really difficult to write down the words wrong. Even if you got the exact spelling wrong, you would, like, it'll automatically correct you when you go to re-enter them. So it's brilliant. This is interesting. I will actually tell you one of my words, because that's, you know, it's fine. On the screen at the moment, I can, oh, well, why did it just vanish? Did it make a bad connection? What happened here? It's just reset. What the heck? I was in the process of writing down my words. I shuffled in my sheet. Did I generate a seat? Did I generate some static? What? It just reset itself. Something's locked up. Well, that sucks. It's just in the process of writing down my words. No, something's gone wrong. I'll have to repower. I like it when it powers up. It tells you which side you want to use, and you just tap which side, and then it flips the screen. That's nice. Password again. I want my recovery seed. Did I only get one chance at that? If I only got one chance at that, then I'm screwed. Because I only got like 5, 6 words in. Anyway, if I don't get a chance to do this again, what I was going to say is one of my words was, it showed 3 words on the screen. One of them was cut off. The one in the middle I could read, but the one next to it, it said plain, which I thought, okay, it's plain. And then, but when you shift over one more and then it puts that word in the middle, it becomes, from plain, it becomes planet. So, yeah, the word, like it cut off the T and it looked like it was a genuine word. So just be careful with that. Yeah, maybe they shouldn't allow that at all. Maybe they shouldn't display. But then it's good to know which is the previous word so you don't accidentally skip one. So I can understand why they've done that. But anyway, manage device, show recovery words. No, I'm good to go. I think I'm, yep, got to unlock it again. Oh, wrong password. I get 9 tries left. Okay, no, I got my words back. That's all right. And there's planet. Okay, now it's going to ask me to you asked to confirm each word. Oh, geez. This could take a while. Wow. Right, here we go. So it's giving me multiple selections. So like 5 to select from each one. And so I'm going to go through all 24 and select one of 5. Do I have to do this? I'm not sure if I actually have to do this. I'm pretty sure I got it right. I just cycled it through a second time. And I am right. So I don't think there's any need to do it. Do you really want to cancel recovery words? Yep, pretty much good to go. I think I'm good to go. Let's resize Dave head there. Now, I have a backup on this. I'll check that later on a non-interwebs connected computer to make sure it's got the stuff on it. So that is my backup. And then we can just do our crypto stuff. It only supports Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. That's disappointing. Does it support tokens under the... I'm not sure it supports tokens under the Ethereum thing. I think that's it. And that could be it. This is not a proper review or anything. I'm just setting this up for the first time. Anyway, yeah, manage device, firmware's up to date. Optional passphrase, generate random number. That's just for kicks. Generate the following 256-bit random numbers. So using the random number generator built into the secure chip, it's got its own little random number generator. It has to. So they're generally pretty good. I mean, they're not ideal, but they're pretty good random number generators. It's really, it's an art and science to do a proper hardware random number generator. I don't know if you can even prove it. Can you actually prove that there's a genuine, like true randomness or something? It's like, yeah, it's a real, many PhD papers have been written on that. Currencies, oh yeah, I want Aussie. Don't want any of that Euro rubbish. Yankee bucks, don't even think I want Yankee bucks. Oh, I might have both. Aha, yes, here's the Ethereum. Yep, it supports basic attention tokens, wrapped Bitcoin, and a few others. Okay, so it doesn't support everything, but it's got a few. That's all right. If you're into your tethers and whatnot. But yeah, it's not comprehensive. Would have been nice to have, more than that. I mean, everyone's talking about Dogecoin these days, aren't they? Anyway, Bitcoin, Litecoin. I'm sure it works. Okay, so I will receive Litecoin. Your address. What? What is that? It's not generated anything. That's a nothing burger. What is that QR code? Anyway, change to compatible address. SegWit, show and verify full address on device. Okay. You can scroll it. I do like the scrollies. It's pretty good. Nice interface for such a compact thing. So that was a good choice. That looks correct. See, why can't I copy that? Show and verify full address on device. I did. Okay, so we can copy that. Okay, so only if you... Right. But then it doesn't show up here. Not sure what the deal is. Anyway, I'll send myself some Litecoin. Okay, so I'll send myself 0.1 Litecoin, which is worth about 24 bucks. Send in. Invalid address. Please check carefully and try again. Coin sent to the wrong address cannot be recovered. Show and verify full address on device. Change to compatible address. SegWit. Okay. Okay. Show and verify full address. I will copy that. Okay. I didn't know we needed the different compatible address. 0.1 Bitcoin. Done. Confirm send. Yep. Okay, it looks like my send in wallet, it just didn't support, it needed the SegWit address. Okay, I got an email confirm my withdrawal. That just happens to be part of the wallet I'm using at the moment. So, we'll see how long that takes to come through. Is there like a refresh? There we go. We got it. That didn't take long, like a minute, 2 minutes tops or whatever. It's still pending, but it's showing up. So, there you go, 0.1 Litecoin, 23.7 Aussie bucks. Beautiful. It works. There you go. So that's the BitBox02 digital crypto hardware wallet. It's a bit disappointing that they didn't include like a code sheet for it. That would have been nice. So I've just written it down on the card that came with it. They didn't even like put a spot to write it on the card here. Got an FCC compliance card though, and I got some stickers. But that's about it. So the Bitcoin sticker. I'll use that. Thank you very much. And then it's got numbers as well. So if you've got multiple ones, you can. I don't know why they stopped putting numbers on the others, but you can have multiple devices, then you can identify them. Like I've got multiple devices of the same one, and I have to put a thing on them to actually identify them. So there you go, that's sweet, it worked. No wuckers. Everything just worked pretty seamlessly, like the firmware update and everything worked pretty seamlessly. I do like the capacitive touch thing on it, it's alright, although it did crash once in there. I don't know what the heck happened there. Weird, and I think it might have like reset itself again at one point. Not sure what the deal is, but anyway, it's interesting that they give you the SD card slot, even though you don't need that, don't even know if it's possible to do firmware upgrades via that. But that's used to store the info. So don't store this recovery on your cloud or whatever. Have the paper recovery seed is always the best, because then you don't actually have to restore it into here. If you've got the paper recovery seed, you can just restore it to any hardware device, any vendor's device that supports that particular seed, or a software wallet or anything. You can just very quickly restore your wallet to anything. But of course, this one is probably only compatible with the BitBox02. So don't rely just on this. But it was kind of cool that it's open sourcey as well. There you go. And they got the DigiKey and Mousebomb, so they are doing it a bit better than Trezor anyway. Although Trezor did that for their original one. I don't know why the Model T is different. I think they just couldn't be bothered, because I'm probably the only one who's ever bothered them about it. I can remember contacting them about when it first came out. I said, hey, where's the hardware thing? Where's all the open source files? And they said, we'll get around to it. Which is fair enough. They're spending all their time on what they should, which is the firmware and software side of things. Because hardware is like, even if everything was available and it was turnkey, who would actually make their own Trezor or BitBox or whatever? Hardly anyone. Like, you can round it down to 0. So, it's only nerds like me that would bother. So, there you go. The BitBox02. Geez, have I had it for that long? Maybe. I love that they've got an X-ray. Check it out. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. And, and the finger capacitive touch. That's a nice interface. Oh, that was a separate chip, was it? Oh, I missed that. Was it a separate secure chip? I thought it was a... sorry. I thought that was an I2C interface, like memory or something. But no, that's the secure device. Okay, but the Atmel secure, I think the AT... Oh, no, sorry, I was mixing that up. That's the AT SAM 05, the 85 one, isn't it? Yeah, that's just... that's not... That is not the secure device. So, it's the ATEC C508. There you go. There it is. That's a microchip jobby. Did they develop that, or did they used to buy someone who had the had the secure tech? I don't know. But first crypto device to integrate elliptic curve Diffie-Hellman key arrangement. For all you Diffie-Hellman fanboys out there, which make it easy to add confidentiality in digital systems, Internet of Things nodes, grown, home automation, industrial, to highly secure, asymmetric authentication. It's got all the pillars. You want all the pillars. Signature, elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. Wow, sounds impressive. Elliptic curve cryptography. Yeah, that sounds pretty schmick, doesn't it? Although, yeah, it's all happening inside the chip, and all the secure stuff's happening inside the chip. So it's not like it's going over the I2C bus. I'm sure that's not the actual case. So cryptographic co-processor with secure hardware-based key storage, because that'd be pointless if you just sent it over the I2C bus. You know, it's all done on the chip. 2 high endurance monotonic counters. Wow, guaranteed unique 72-bit serial number. And there you go, it's got a FIPS random number generator. I don't know what that is, but all you FIPS fanboys certainly would. 10K of E-squared prompt memory for keys, certificates, data. That's pretty generous, 10K. Oh, that's bits, not that byte rubbish. Works on 2 to 5.5 volts, 150 nanoamp sleep current. Okay, that's anti-cloning, message security. Yeah, I don't know what the physical 3-lead contact. You can get a 3-leaded package? What? I don't get it. 3-lead contact top view. Yeah, I don't know how it does its anti-counterfeiting thing, protect firmware. Yeah, I don't know, like if it's got physical, I'm sure it's got like physical die protection and glitch protection and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's interesting. So there you go. That's the BitBox02. That was fairly seamless. Took a little bit to set it up. You know, they're always a little bit fiddly with the interfaces and stuff like that. But yeah, the slider's pretty good. Not too shabby. I'll link it in down below. BitBox02. Catch you next time.